Are you planning a trip to an all-inclusive resort? Whether it's your first time or your 10th, having the right items can make or break your vacation experience. What's going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive, and in today's video, I'll be sharing the 15 most important items you absolutely need when heading to an all-inclusive resort. If I miss anything, or you think something should be on the list that's not, be sure to let me know in the comments below. As always, I'm going to talk about a bunch of different items on today's video, so if you go to the description below, I've linked to the items that we use, and you can go ahead and order them from Amazon and help out the channel. First up, let's talk about the absolute essentials. These are items you can't travel without. Coming in at number 1 on the list is obviously your passport and travel documents. This one's obvious, but it's worth mentioning. Double check that your passport is valid for at least 6 months after your travel dates. Make photocopies of your travel documents and keep them separate from the originals. And don't forget your boarding passes, resort confirmation, and travel insurance details. Keeping these in a waterproof travel organizer can help keep everything safe and readily accessible. Next up is travel insurance. All-inclusive resorts may be stress-free, but emergencies happen. Medical expenses or travel delays can ruin your trip if you're not prepared. Look for policies that include trip cancellation, medical coverage, and lost luggage. Having travel insurance ensures that you're covered for any unforeseen events, giving you peace of mind. Also, check with your credit card company to see if they offer trip cancellation or any other types of travel insurance as a benefit for purchasing a trip with that specific card. Coming in at number 3 on our list is a controversial one: cash for tips. While resorts may claim to be all-inclusive, tipping is often appreciated for excellent service. Bring a mix of small bills like 1s and 5s for tipping bartenders, housekeeping, and other staff. Plan on tipping around $1 to $2 per drink and $5 per day for housekeeping. It's a small gesture that goes a long way. The way that I like to do it is at the beginning of the day, if I'm going to be at the pool bar or the beach bar all day, I'll give each of the bartenders $5 or $10 to ensure that I get excellent service all day, and I can promise you, my glass never goes empty. Speaking of tips, if you don't mind helping me out, go ahead and do the equivalent of tipping me right now and hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. It helps my content reach more people and hopefully save someone from an unfortunate travel mistake. Next up, let's talk about everything you need for soaking up the sun and enjoying the water. Number 4 on today's list is sunscreen, and most importantly, after-sun care. The sun at tropical destinations is no joke. Pack reef-safe sunscreen to protect your skin and the environment. Some destinations even ban harmful sunscreens. Make sure to reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming. Aloe vera gel or a soothing after-sun lotion can be a lifesaver if you overdo it in the sun. Number 5 is swimwear. You'll probably spend most of your time poolside or on the beach, so pack at least 2 to 3 swimsuits. This gives you time for one to dry while you wear another. If you're planning activities like snorkeling or paddleboarding, consider bringing a rash guard for extra sun protection. Number 6 is a beach cover-up. A lightweight beach cover-up is perfect for transitioning from the beach to the pool bar or to the buffet. Look for breathable fabrics that dry quickly and double as stylish outfits. This way, you'll stay comfortable and resort appropriate. Next up on our list is a waterproof phone case. Protect your phone while you're snorkeling, paddleboarding, or just chilling by the pool. A waterproof case is a game changer, especially if you want to take underwater photos or protect your device from accidental splashes while you're out on a boat. Look for a case that's durable and easy to use. Coming in at number 8 is flip-flops and water shoes. Flip-flops are great for poolside lounging, but if you're planning to explore rocky beaches or participate in water activities, water shoes are absolutely essential. They'll protect your feet and provide extra grip. Plus, they dry quickly and they're lightweight to pack. Even at an all-inclusive resort, you'll need more than just your swimwear. So here's what to pack for comfort and style. Number 9 is lightweight clothing. Think breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Sundresses for women, lightweight shirts for men, shorts and tank tops are both ideal for the daytime. Avoid heavy or dark fabrics as they can feel uncomfortable in the heat. Packing wrinkle-resistant items can also save you from needing an iron. Next up is evening attire. Many resorts have dress codes for dinner, especially at the nicer restaurants. For men, collared shirts and dress shorts or slacks are often required. Women can bring sundresses or skirts or even dressy blouses. Check your resort's websites for specific guidelines so that you can pack accordingly. Dress or comfortable sandals comes in at number 11 because you'll be walking around the resort quite a bit. So bring a nice set of sandals or casual shoes that are easy to walk in. Opt for ones with arch support to keep your feet comfortable, especially if you're planning to go on excursions Bring a pair of lightweight sneakers as well. To make your trip as smooth as possible, please don't forget these next few handy items. Because what would you do if you couldn't access Instagram or Facebook or YouTube while you're on your trip? You'll want to bring a portable charger. You'll be snapping photos and videos all day, and the last thing you want is a dead battery. Choose one with multiple USB ports if you're traveling with family or friends. Number 13 is an important one. You'll want to bring a travel adapter. Depending on your destination, you might need an adapter for your electronics. Research the outlet types and voltages at your resort. Investing in a universal adapter can be useful for all future trips as well. Number 14 is a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in tropical climates. A reusable water bottle with a built-in filter is perfect for on-the-go refills. Plus, it's an eco-friendly option that reduces plastic waste. And last on our list will help you get to and from your destination, and that's packing cubes. These make organizing your suitcase a breeze and help you find what you need without rummaging around. Use different cubes for clothing, swimwear, and toiletries. Compression packing cubes can save you space, especially if you're tight on room. Now, I've got a few bonus tips coming up next, but if you want any of these items, I've linked to the ones I use in the description below. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to help enhance your all-inclusive experience. Download your resort's app if they have one to check schedules for activities, restaurants, and entertainment. It's also great for making dinner reservations. You'll also want to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, anti-nausea tablets, and antihistamines. Having these on hand can help save you a trip to the resort's probably expensive gift shop. And next, I know you're bringing a water bottle, but you may also want to bring your own insulated tumbler for drinks. It keeps them cold longer, is eco-friendly, and bartenders will often happily fill your resort cup instead of theirs. You'll also want to consider bringing a small backpack or beach bags for excursions or trips to the pool. It's a handy carrying device for sunscreen, your water bottle, your drink cup, and other essentials. And there you have it. That's the 15 most important items you need for your trip to an all-inclusive resort. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know your must-haves in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel tips. Until next time, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.